You're watching PharmaconHealth. Science meets self-care. We break down the science behind supplements, herbal remedies, personal care, fitness, drug information, and chronic care. All simplified for real life. In this video, we dive deep into powerful, natural ways to calm your mind without relying on medication. From ancient herbs like ashwagandha and chamomile, to modern lifestyle hacks and holistic habits, this guide is your blueprint for lasting inner peace. Let's explore the science, the tradition, and the practical steps you can take today to reclaim your calm your mind naturally, how yoga and herbs tame stress. Backed by science, the power of natural stress relief. Feeling overwhelmed by the constant buzz of daily life, deadlines, family responsibilities, sleepless nights. Modern life has us all wired. But what if just a few simple, natural habits could help your body cope better with stress and actually make you feel calmer, clearer, and more in control? Science is now confirming what ancient traditions have known for centuries. Combining gentle yoga with specific calming herbs can regulate stress hormones, activate your body's relaxation systems, and help you build lasting emotional resilience. In this video, we'll explore the evidence, the mechanisms, and how you can start today. Understanding stress. The body's alarm system. Stress isn't always a bad thing. It is your body's built-in alarm system designed to help you survive threats by flooding you with energy-boosting chemicals like cortisol and adrenaline. But in today's world, that system is being triggered constantly by work emails, traffic jams, poor sleep, and even overthinking. When stress becomes chronic, it overstimulates your HPA axis, short for hypothalamic pituitary adrenal system. This causes prolonged cortisol release, which disrupts sleep, triggers inflammation, weakens immunity, and leads to fatigue, anxiety, and brain fog. So, the key isn't to eliminate stress entirely, it is to teach your body how to recover from it faster. And that's where yoga and herbs come in. Yoga. Activating the body's relaxation system. Yoga isn't just a physical workout, it's a tool to reset your nervous system. When you practice yoga, especially slow, mindful sequences combined with deep breathing, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, also known as your rest and digest mode. This is the biological opposite of fight or flight. It slows your heart rate, lowers your blood pressure, eases muscle tension, and reduces cortisol levels. A 2017 meta-analysis of 25 clinical trials showed that regular yoga significantly reduced biological markers of stress, including heart rate and cortisol. Just 15 to 30 minutes of yoga daily has been shown to improve sleep quality, reduce symptoms of anxiety, and even enhance focus and mood. How yoga works. Brain, breath, and the vagus nerve. When you feel stressed, your brain sends a signal through the HPA axis, triggering your adrenal glands to release cortisol. But yoga intervenes in this loop by stimulating the vagus nerve, a major communication highway between your brain and body. The vagus nerve carries signals that help regulate heart rate, digestion, and emotional responses. Yoga boosts vagal tone, meaning your body becomes better at switching off stress and turning on recovery. Think of yoga as a message to your nervous system that says, "You're safe now." This calms the mind, stabilizes emotions, and supports resilience over time. Herbal allies. Adaptogens and calming botanicals. Alongside yoga, nature offers another line of defense: herbal adaptogens. These are plants that help your body adapt to stress by supporting hormone balance and nervous system function. One of the most researched adaptogens is ashwagandha, a root used in Ayurvedic medicine for over 2,000 years. Clinical studies have shown that ashwagandha can lower cortisol levels, reduce anxiety, and improve sleep quality within just 6 to 8 weeks. Then there are calming herbs like lemon balm, lavender, and chamomile. These botanicals don't just relax your mind, they work on a chemical level. They gently activate GABA receptors in your brain, which are the same pathways targeted by anti-anxiety medications but without sedative side effects. The science behind the herbs. Ashwagandha acts like a thermostat for stress. It doesn't suppress your system, it helps regulate it. In one 2019 randomized controlled trial, participants taking 600 milligrams of standardized ashwagandha extract showed significantly reduced anxiety scores and improved sleep quality compared to placebo. Lemon balm, on the other hand, boosts GABA activity. GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid, is your brain's primary calming neurotransmitter. When GABA is activated, it slows neural activity, reduces worry, and supports restful sleep. Lavender oil capsules have also been clinically shown to ease generalized anxiety, making them a gentle but effective alternative to pharmaceutical options. Use herbs safely. What to look for: herbs are powerful because they act like natural medicines. But with that power comes responsibility. Always choose supplements that are standardized and third-party tested. Look for certifications like USP, NSF, or GMP to ensure purity and potency. And be aware, herbs like ashwagandha can interact with medications, especially for thyroid function, blood pressure, or mood. That's why it's critical to consult your healthcare provider before starting any herbal supplement, especially if you're on prescription medications or managing a health condition. A simple, science-backed daily routine. You don't need to overhaul your entire life. Just 15 minutes of slow, mindful yoga paired with a cup of calming herbal tea like lemon balm or chamomile can make a noticeable difference within weeks. This simple daily combo strengthens your parasympathetic nervous system and nourishes your brain's calming neurotransmitters like GABA and serotonin. The result? You'll feel more grounded during the day and sleep more deeply at night. In fact, research shows that consistent use of yoga and herbs improves mood, reduces cortisol, and builds long-term emotional resilience. Deeper benefits beyond stress relief, but the benefits go far beyond mood. Yoga and calming herbs also lower inflammation, support healthy digestion, improve cardiovascular balance, and even enhance cognitive clarity. Chronic stress is a root contributor to many modern diseases, including heart disease, digestive disorders, and hormonal imbalances. By calming the stress response, these natural practices help heal the root, not just the symptoms. Resilience through ritual. Modern science is catching up with ancient wisdom. The combination of yoga and calming herbs isn't just relaxing, it's biologically transformative. Together, they form a gentle, science-backed system to calm your mind, regulate your body, and bring you back into balance day by day. So if you're ready to feel calmer, think more clearly, and sleep more deeply, start simple. A few minutes of movement, a soothing herbal tea, a little breath, and a lot of healing. Don't forget to subscribe to PharmaconHealth for more evidence-based wellness strategies that work with your body, not against it.